Hello viewers, I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimis Kitchen. So today let's make Lasooni grilled prawns. These Lasooni tikka is made with generous amount of garlic and few seasonings. Some Lasooni tikka's recipes call for yogurt and others don't. I just feel that a marinade with yogurt would infuse the prawns with extra moisture. So let's see how to make creamy garlicky grilled prawns. In a bowl, add 500 grams of clean prawns. Goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Give this a nice mix and set this aside for 10 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoon mustard oil in a pan. Add 1/4 cup minced garlic. Saute for 30 seconds. And next I'm going to add 2 tablespoon gram flour. Give this a nice mix and now switch off the flame. At this point add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well and set this aside. For second marination I am using a large bowl. Add mustard oil and gram flour mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon mustard oil, curd 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Goes in 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Give this a nice mix. Now squeeze the prawns by your hands to remove excess water and then add it to the marinade. Combine the prawns with the second marinade and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Once done, thread the marinated prawns onto soaked skewers and set this aside. Next, I am using barbecue charcoal grill to grill the Lasooni prawns, adding charcoal in it and fire up the charcoals. Once done with this process, now place the prawn skewers on it and grill both the sides. In between, apply some oil on top of the prawns and grill till it becomes golden brown. Give a charcoal smoke if you are using tawa to grill the prawns. And now the Lasooni prawns tikka is ready to serve. Before you serve, in a small cup add 2 tablespoon melted butter. Goes in half teaspoon roasted kasuri methi. Mix this nicely and set this aside. And now I'm going to garnish the plate with some onion rings with mint chutney and lemon slices. Now place the grilled Lasooni prawns on serving plate. Next is to brush the prawns with butter and kasuri methi. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top. And now serve immediately and enjoy. If you love this recipe, give a big thumbs up below. Also find me on my Instagram page and follow shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.